How to download Roblox on a laptop if it doesn't work. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Roblox on a laptop if it doesn't work. First, open any modern browser such as Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Chrome and go to the Roblox website. Then, log into your Roblox account and visit any game. Click the green play button and a pop-up will appear informing you that Roblox Player is installing. Allow it to install. After installation, Roblox Player should launch automatically. If not, return to the Roblox website and click Play on any game. A secondary pop-up may ask you to select a program, choose Roblox and confirm. You can check the box to remember your choice for future use, avoiding the need to repeat this step. For Mac users using Firefox, open the Roblox website in Firefox and log in. Click the green play button on any game, and a pop-up will appear informing you that Roblox Player is installing. When prompted, check Always use this application to open Roblox Player links and click Choose to bring up Finder. In Finder, use the shortcut CMD plus Shift plus G, then enter the path Applications, Roblox.app, Contents, Mac OS, Roblox.app, and press Return. Next, select the Roblox.app and click Open. Roblox Player will now launch. To install Roblox Studio, go to the Roblox website and log in to your account. Visit any of your experiences and click the Edit button in the upper right corner. A pop-up will appear to install Roblox Studio. Once installed, it will automatically open. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.